Holy cow, holy Toledo. Counter-Strike 2 account with $1.5 million skin inventory has been banned. Let's take a look at this, because this is just crazy to me. I like CS:GO. I like Counter-Strike. Dust 2 is probably one of the greatest maps ever, in my opinion. But moving on, how do you get $1.5 million skin inventory? The game just came out like 2 weeks ago. I don't know. Let's take a look. Deserto. Controversial Counter-Strike 2 skin trader Stack with a skin inventory worth $1.5 million has been banned from trading. Yeah, because this is a little suspicious, don't you think? I don't know. Call me crazy. Skin trading in Counter-Strike is a big business, as some of the game's most expensive skins can be worth upwards of $1 million, which is it's just so insane to me, guys. With private collectors frequently hunting down some of the game's rarest cosmetics. There are people out there. You know, good on you. Good on you, lasagna. I wish I had that as a hobby. I'm not even being sarcastic. However, many players' collections can be at risk in being lost due to account bans by Steam, usually either through a VAC ban due to hacking or a community ban for a wide range of reasons. Sidetrack. I need to get Counter-Strike 2. I just want to get the game. It's a great game. Anyways, now one of the biggest CS skin collectors, Stack, has just been hit with a community ban with his extremely valuable inventory under lockdown. CS:GO trader bans. Stack just got a community ban with inventory value of just under 1.5 million. On October 4th, various CS trader account trackers reported Stack's account was hit with a community ban. Most bots recorded his inventory value at a whopping 1.4 million. Poof. However, many other traders in the community averaged his inventory worth between 1.5 to 1.6. It's unknown what Stack was banned for at the time of writing, as the reasons for the Steam community can range from online misconduct to engaging in unlawful activities. I just don't know. Like, how do you accrue that fast? How do you accrue those skins that fast? Anyways, many have speculated that Stack was banned for comments made on his Steam profile, which has happened to traders in the past. However, not to accounts with inventories quite this valuable. And it concludes here that in the skin trading community, Stack is one of the most controversial figures. In the past, he has been accused of scamming players out of rare skins and ghosting traders after they had sent their skins to him with no payment. Ouch, man. At least deliver the goods. You know what I mean? Stack has also gained notoriety for attempting to get the highest possible Steam level, spending thousands of dollars in the process. This is business for this person, you know? This is like, I don't know. This is like a skin arms dealer. However, he was accused of scamming people out of Steam cards to the tune of $70,000. What? Most traders predict that Stack will be unbanned within the next few days, though we'll be sure to keep you posted. Dude, this blows my mind. This blows my mind that I don't even know if Steam has to say why they were banned or not. But, gosh, you're sitting on a gold mine there. I don't know. Maybe you guys in the comments can educate me. How can this individual accrue / acquire such rare skins in such a little time? I'm ignorant to the fact of it. Also, this makes me want to just jump into Counter-Strike 2 even more. I've been slacking. I know I have, but let me know what you think down in the comments. Educate me, please, because this is bananas. I appreciate you guys very much. Like and subscribe. That's some news. Talk to you guys soon.